Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 10th standard maths, state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.2, 8th sum. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface area. What is the formula for total surface area? Sphere is 4 pi r square and hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Have equal total surface area. Prove that the ratio of their volume is 3 root 3 is to 4. 3 root 3 is to 4. See here, you can take it as R1 and R2. R1 and R2 be the radii, plural form, be the radii of hemisphere and sphere. R1 and R2 be the radii of sphere and hemisphere, of sphere and hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere. Hemisphere. Sphere and hemisphere. So the total surface area. Have equal total surface area. So it is given total surface area of TSA of sphere equal to TSA of have equal total surface area. So TSA of sphere equal to TSA of hemisphere. TSA of hemisphere. What is the total surface area of sphere? 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi r1 square equal to 3 pi r2 square. Pi get cancel. R1 square by R2 square. See here, R1 square by R2 square. R1 square by R2 square equal to 3 by 4. R1 square by R2 square equal to 3 by 4. R1 by R2, taking square root. R1 by R2 equal to root 3 by 2. R1 by R2 equal to root 3 by 2. Ratio of their volume. See here, ratio of their volume. Ratio of their volume equal to C, volume of sphere. Volume of sphere by volume of hemisphere. Volume of sphere by volume of hemisphere. Volume of sphere by volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere. What is volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi. That radius you can take it as what? R1. We already kept that radius is R1. So 4 by 3 R1 cube. What is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 pi, what is the radius we already noted? Yeah, R2. See, 2 by 3 pi R2 cube. 2 by 3 pi R2 cube. Pi get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? See, V1 by V2 equal to. V1 is nothing but volume of a sphere and V2 is nothing but volume of a hemisphere, equal to 4 by 2 into R1 by R2 the whole cube. See, R1 cube by R2 cube. So we read it as what? R1 by R2 the whole cube. So this gets cancelled. What is the remaining thing we are having? So V1 by V2. V1 by V2 equal to 2 into R1 by R2 the whole cube. You can take the value R1 by R2 equal to root 3 by 2. So 2 into root 3 by 2 the whole cube. 2 into root 3 by 2 the whole cube. V1 by V2 equal to 2 into root 3 the whole cube. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. That is nothing but what? 3 root 3 by 8. 3 root 3 by 8. It is 2 cube is nothing but what? 8. So 2 ones are 2 4s are 2 ones are 2 4s are. So ratio of their volume V1 by V2 equal to 3 root 3 by 4. It's nothing but V1 is to V2. That fraction you can write it in a ratio form. V1 is to V2 equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. 3 root 3 is to 4. Hence proved, because we have to find out the value, proved that the ratio of their volume is 3 root 3 is to 4. So V1 is to V2 equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. Hence proved. Hence proved. See the ninth sum. The outer and the inner surface area. See, outer mentioned as capital R and inner. Inner means inner radius is what? Small r. Surface area of a spherical copper shell are 576 pi centimeter square and 324 pi centimeter square respectively. Find the volume of the material required to make the shell. See, you can take it as, because outer and inner two surface areas are there. Outer surface area, you can imagine a shell, you can imagine a bowl like this. Outer surface area and inner surface area. Outer surface area is capital R is the radius and inner surface area is the small r is the radius. So capital R is the radius of outer surface area. Outer surface area. Outer surface area. And you can take it as a small r. Small r equal to radius of inner surface area. Radius of inner surface area. Inner surface area. So outer surface area, what is the surface area value they have given in the question? 576 pi centimeter square. Outer surface area equal to, outer surface area equal to, what is the value they are given in the question? 576 pi centimeter square. 576 pi centimeter square. What is the formula for surface area of the sphere? 4 pi r square. But here outer means we mentioned as capital R. 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square equal to 576 pi centimeter square. Pi get cancel. Pi get cancel. 4 r square equal to 576. 4 r square. 4 r square equal to 576. R square equal to 576 by 4. R 576 by 4, 144. 144. R square equal to 144 capital R, that is nothing but outer radius, equal to, you can take the square root of 144. What is the value? Plus or minus 12, but radius cannot be negative. So we can take it as a positive value for the radius. So radius cannot be negative. So capital R, outer radius, capital R equal to 12 centimeter. Then we move on to the inner surface area. The same formula we apply here. 4 pi r square, but here r you mention is what? Small r. See, 4 pi r square, inner surface area. Inner surface area. Inner surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, small r square equal to 324 pi centimeter square. 324 pi centimeter square. 4 pi r square equal to 324 pi. Pi get cancel. 4 r square. 4 r square. 4 r square equal to 324. r square equal to 324 by 4. 4 ones are 4 8s are 32, 81. R square equal to 81. R square equal to root of 81. The same thing. R equal to plus or minus 9, but radius cannot be negative, so we can take it as a positive value. R equal to 9 centimeter. R equal to 9 centimeter. Now we find out the volume of the material required to make the shell. See, volume of the material. Volume of the material required to make the shell. Volume of the material required to make the shell equal to, what is the formula for volume of the hollow sphere? 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. 4 by 3 pi into volume of the hollow sphere. Formula is what? 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. So it gives 4 by 3 into pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into capital R value is 12. So 12 cube minus small r value is 9 cube. Small r value is 9 cube centimeter cube. See here, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 12 cube. 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12, 1728. Check the value. Do it in a rougher column. 9 cube. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729. 729. So it gives 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1728 minus 729. You can subtract the value, you are getting the value 999. 3 ones are 333. 22 into 4. 22 into 4 is nothing but what? 88. 88 into 333 by 7. 333 by 7. 88 into 333, it's nothing but what? 29,304 by 7. We divide, what is the answer you are getting? 7 4s are 28, balance 1, 7 1s are 7, balance 8, 6.285. Approximately what is the value? 4186.29 centimeter cube. 29 centimeter cube. 4186. Volume of the material required equal to 4186.29 centimeter cube. See the 10th sum. A container open at the top is in a form of a frustum. You can imagine a bucket. See, open at the top. Open at the top. Open at the top. See the outer radius. See in the form of a frustum, height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper end are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Lower end is 8 centimeter and upper end is 20 centimeter. Height is nothing but what? 16 centimeter. Height is 16 centimeter. What are the things are given? given outer radius, given outer radius equal to, given outer radius equal to 20 centimeter. What is the inner radius? Inner radius, see this is capital R, inner radius small r equal to, inner radius small r equal to 8 centimeter, height equal to 16 centimeter, height of the frustum equal to, height of the frustum equal to 16 centimeter. It is nothing but outer radius of the frustum, because the top portion is open. Can imagine a bucket. Okay. See, outer radius equal to, that is outer radius of the frustum, capital R equal to 20 centimeter. Inner radius, that is a small part, lower part, it's nothing but 8 centimeter, and height is nothing but 16 centimeter. Now we should find out the volume of the frustum. Volume of a frustum. What is the formula for volume of a frustum? Volume of a frustum. Volume of a frustum equal to 1 by 3. That is pi h by 3. Pi h by 3 into capital R square, capital R, small r plus small r square, cubic units. Volume of a frustum. Volume of a frustum equal to, what is the formula? Volume of a frustum equal to pi h by 3. Pi h by 3 into r square, capital R, small r plus small r square, cubic unit is nothing but what? Centimeter cube. Can substitute all the values. So 22 by 7 into, what is the height? Height is nothing but 16 by 3. 16 by 3 into r square. What is the value of r? R equal to, what is the value of r? R equal to 20. So 20 square plus 20 into small r value is 8 plus 8 square centimeter cube. 8 square centimeter cube. So it gives 22 into 7. 22 by 7 into 16 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 16 by 3 into 20 square is nothing but 400. 20 into 8, 160. 160. 8 square is nothing but what? 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. See here. 22 into 16 by 7 3s are 21. 400 plus 160 is 560. 60 plus 64 is 624 into 624 centimeter cube. See, 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 8 3s are 24. So 22 into 16 into 208 by 7. 208 by 7. See, 22 into 16. 22 into 16 is 352. 352 into 208 by 7. When we multiply, what is the value we are getting? It gives 352 into 208 equal to 73,260 by 7. You can do all the calculation in the rough work column and check the values. You divide the values. 7 tens are 70, balance 3, 30, 2 and 4s are 20, 8 and 59, 750, 10,459 centimeter cube, 10,459 centimeter cube. So we can make it into a liter, because cost of milk, because it is centimeter cube, cost of milk per liter is rupees 40. So now we get the answer what? In centimeter cube. You can change it into what? Liter. So 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So 10,459 centimeter cube equal to 10,459 by 1000. 10,459 by 1000. So 3 decimal places, it gives 10.459 liter. You change the centimeter cube into liter. 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So you divide that value. Got the value what? 10 liter and 10.459 liter. Cost of milk. See the question. Cost of milk. Cost of milk per liter. Cost of milk per liter equal to rupees 40. Cost of milk per liter equal to rupees 40. Total cost equal to 10 liter, 10.459 liter into 40. 10.459 liter into 40. See, multiply the value. You can multiply the value. What is the value you are getting? 418.36 rupees. 418.36. Can decimal, you can do the calculation part in the rough work column. 418.36. Total cost of milk per liter equal to rupees 40. Cost of 10.459 liter equal to rupees 418.36. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates.